Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add comments in Microsoft Word. It's actually really simple. All you want to do is first just click here on review and then just make sure the option that says show comments is checked. Okay, if it's checked then you can see the comments. Otherwise you're not going to be able to see them on the right hand side. So if I want to add a comment, so let's say this paragraph, and I just highlight this paragraph, I right click and just press new comment, or I can just come up here and press new comment. I'm going to do it from up here, and let's see, I'm going to write introduction. Boom, literally that simple. And now as I'm scrolling through the document on the right hand side, I'm going to see introduction. Windows user type introduction a few seconds ago. Or what you can also do, if you don't have this turned on, you can still see the comments. You're going to see this call out option here that has this text highlighted. Just click on this and you're going to see the comment of this introduction. Really that easy, really that simple. Make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.